If you skip this video, you will stay poor forever. 4.5 years ago, I used to work 10, 11, 12 hours every day as a plumber. I used to get stuck in traffic for another 1 to 2 hours every day. And I burned over $20,000 on fake gurus and fake promises. After 2 years of trial and error, I figured out that these fake gurus weren't even doing the business model that they are trying to sell you. And then I was literally thinking to myself, if all of these motherfuckers can make lots of money posting simply videos on social media, then I can do the same. But I had no more money left, so I asked my mom to lend me $1,500 for a mentorship. And fast forward 4.5 years, I was able to quit my plumbing job, was able to move into a villa on the Palm in Dubai, was able to retire my mom and pay her back 1,000 times. And something I will never forget, I was able to ease the pain when my dad got sick with cancer a year ago. So listen guys, I know what it feels like to be stuck in a situation where it feels like there is no fucking way out. I know how it is to hate your job, but you have to do it because you have to pay the bills. And because I don't want anyone to go through the same shit I went through, I dedicated my life to teaching you something that actually works. Something I'm still doing till this day. If you want to discover how you can get me to do pretty much all of the work for you, get you the done for you offers, the done for you posts, and even give you done for you videos, so the only thing you have to do is post without even showing your face, come and mentor, and I mentor you for free. Let's get it.